Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Smitha Chandra. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I make videos on lifestyle, hauls, productivity and food related content on my channel. If this is your niche, stay tuned till the end. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a quick 2-minute recipe, healthy Moong Dal Salad, which you can have anytime in the day. So now let's see all the ingredients and how to prepare it. That's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know how you like this recipe in the comment section below. Do follow me on my Instagram for more updates. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Smitha Chandra signing off. Take care. Bye bye.